Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And yesterday I uploaded a video of fixing JoJo Siwa. So right now I'm just going to play with this slime that I just found in my dad's summer house. Super cool. I thought it was like a material at first, but then I noticed it was my slime. I call it crystal clear. It's not actually that clear in the camera, but it's pretty clear. Because I'm going to let it clear and And guys, I'm going to go to my mom's later at 11:30 in the morning. And I'm going to add some food coloring to this and shaving cream. Wait, my dad actually. Dad, do you have any shaving cream?
Shaving foam. It's not like cream. Oh. It doesn't work the same.
Damn it. Okay guys, so when I get to my mom's, I'm going to add my shaving cream into this. I wouldn't mind saying I've got shaving cream at my mom's, because I use it for slime to make fluffy slime. Dad, I've got shaving cream at my mom's.
Oh yeah?
Not to like shave, to use in my slime to make it fluffy slime.
Okay.
Guys, there's like so many air bubbles. I am literally obsessed with this slime.
Is it as good as you thought it was going to
It's
be?
really jiggly too.
Is it as good as you thought it was going to be?
Oh, it's super stretchy. I'm going to make an Instagram swirl. Okay, guys, I'm going to start this again. But, guys, I love doing this. Guys, look how clear it is. Now, let's make the Instagram swirl. People just do it like that and don't know any twists. But this is how I do it. So it gets like super thick and light. Okay guys, so this is my Instagram swirl.
No.
Okay guys, so that is my Instagram swirl. There's pretty much nothing to do with slime like this, but you can stretch it, crunch it, Instagram swirl it, add add-ins into add-ins. Guys, I've got an idea. Have you guys ever made chalk slime? It's where you add chalk into slime. It's really cool, but I've never actually tried chalk slime. So guys, this is actually really getting pretty hard. So guys, so people say that soap makes slime more softer, but I do not know how much soap to add, so I'm just gonna get 1 squirt. Dad, this slime is like pretty hard. So, and people on YouTube say that like if you add soap to it, it gets really soft, so you can add a bit of soap to it. I'm gonna put it in the container though.
Once this is fixed out, that's on here.
Okay guys, I've got it in my container. The slime container. So yeah, let's go and add some soap. So guys, I think any soap will work, but I'm going to use a thick soap in this bathroom downstairs. guys, geez. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So guys, this is what soap I've got. So it's blue, so it might change the color, but blue is pretty. And it's bubblegum scent. This, I don't want to sabotage it, but I'm just gonna sabotage it. 1, 2, 3, squirt. Only that much came out. So guys, I think I'm gonna mix it in now. This has turned out pretty cool. Coolio. And if it starts melting, I'm just gonna put it straight back in. Guys, this is getting pretty cool and thick. Guys, this is amazing. Guys, it looks like really white on the camera, but it's actually gray. So I'm just gonna add more soap that came in the bowl. That was actually a pretty small squirt. And guys, this is giving it a really good scent. But guys, it's kind of stinking the room now. So I'm gonna get some air freshener. It's cherry blossom. Are you guys thinking what I'm thinking? To make it a good scent. So that's the scent. Guys, this is so cool. And guys, this has a liquid detergent in it, and detergent is an activator, so it will hold it in peace. And guys, I actually made this slime out of a slime kit that I got for Christmas. And now we're in April. Okay guys, so let's put this all back into the container. This turned out to be an amazing slime. There we go. It's a perfect slime. So let's go back in. Well, I mean out. Okay guys, so let's go back out.
By the way, come on, we're gonna get ready now.
Not yet. Okay guys, this is like going super dark. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna play with the slime. Oh. Not yet. It melted it, kinda. Okay guys, so now I have to have a shower. I'm gonna do, this is part 1, slime fixing. And then, so guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button and I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Get ready for part 2, slime fixing.